And we have a text view here. As you can see, we have a layout width, wrap content, layout height, wrap content, okay? And we have a text appearance large, and the text is name of the animal, colon, and here we have ID, txt animal name, and here as you can see, these are the attributes. For example, layout underline aligned parent top true, so it is actually aligned to the top of the parent, which is this relative layout, okay? And it says layout underline to the right of, so this image, this text view is actually at the right of this image view, okay? So it says layout underline to the right of @ plus ID / image view, okay? So the ID of this image view is image view, as you can see here. So if I want to change this ID, I just need to double click on it, and for the ID, I can just assign the value img animal, okay? And then here, as you can see, it says update usages as well. This will update all XML references and Java or field references. And here you can just check this checkbox here that says don't ask again during this session, and then click on yes. So here, as you can see, now the ID of this image view is actually changed to img animal, and here it says layout to the end of img animal, okay? So here this text view is actually at the end of this image view, okay? We can see these values here, okay? So here, as you can see, for the text, I can just put this value in another way. So as you can see here, inside this project structure here, as you can see, this is our project structure, and here we have a res folder, and inside this res folder we have a values folder, okay? So just click on this strings.xml file here. As you can see here, we have some string values here. Now let's actually create a string value here. So I just need to open a tag here, and inside this tag I can just type in string with a lowercase letter, okay? And here, as you can see, it says name. So the name of our string value is, for example, animal name, okay? Animal underline name, okay? So I need to separate these words by using an underline character, okay? And then I need to close this tag here, and inside of these tags, between these two tags, I need to actually put in my value. For example, I want to actually put this value, as you can see, that I assigned for this text view, name of the animal here. I can just copy this value and put it inside of these tags here, okay? And here we have this value here, okay? And now inside of this customized ListView.xml, as you can see here, instead of just hard coding our value here, I can just type in @. So here I just need to refer to this strings file here, strings.xml file. So I can just type in string, and as you can see here, we have these values here, okay? So we can see these values that are inside of this strings.xml file. So our own value is this, okay? @string / animal underline name. So I just need to select this value here. And let's actually go back inside this design tab. Now, as you can see, this value is again showing up here, okay? Name of the animal. So let's go back to this text tab here. Now I want to actually change the color of my text view. So I can just type in text color and then press on enter key in order to choose this value. So here I can just put in an RGB color. So now let's actually go to the web browser. Here, as you can see, we can choose these values. So for example, I want to actually choose this white color here. I can just copy this hex value here, okay? And I can just paste it here. And now if I actually go back inside this design tab, now as you can see, the color of my text view is actually changed, okay? So now let's actually drag another large text view here inside into this relative layout and put it below this text view and at the right of this image view, okay? And here I just need to select this text view, okay? And let's actually put the value match parent to the layout width of this image view, okay? So in order to do that, I can just click on this button here, as you can see, it says set layout width to match parent. And as you can see here, now the layout width of this text view is match parent. I can do the same thing for this text view. Just select it and select on this button here. And now let's actually double click on this text view. And for the text, just type in here animal power. And for the ID, just type in here txt animal power. And then press on enter key on your keyboard. Okay. So now let's actually go to this design tab here. And as you can see here, this is our text view. And as you can see, we can actually add another attribute. Okay. Text color. Put a hashtag here and then put that hex value here. Okay. And here inside of this design tab, now as you can see, the color of our text view is actually changed. Okay. So now let's actually drag another large text view into this relative layout here and put it below this text view and at the right of this image view here. Okay. And here, just paste it here, put it here, double click on it. For the text, just type in here animal speed. And for the ID, just type in here txt animal speed. Okay. And now let's actually select this text view and put a colon at the end of this value here. And again, select this text view here and put a colon at the end of this value. Okay. So let's actually change the color of this text view here. Instead, at this time, let's actually change it here inside of these properties here. And as you can see here, we have this text color attribute here. As you can see, put a hashtag here and then put that hex value here and then press on enter key on your keyboard. Okay. So now let's actually select this text view. Okay. And then click on this button here in order to make this, in order to set the layout width of this text view to match parent. Okay. And now the design of our customized text view is actually finished. Okay. Now we want to actually bind this XML file. Okay. With this list view that we actually put inside this content underline main.xml. Okay. So now let's actually go back inside this main activity.java file here. And then let's actually delete these lines of code that are related to the options menu, and then press on delete key on your keyboard. And then let's actually select this block of code that is related to the floating action button, and then press on delete key on your keyboard. Okay. So now we need to actually put in some lines of code here. So here inside of this main activity class, let's actually declare an object of type ListView. So as you can see here, I actually pasted this line of code here. And here I actually declared an object of type ListView, and the name of this object is ListView. Okay. So inside of this onCreate method, I want to instantiate this object that I declared in line 10. Okay. So I just need to type in here LST, okay, view, assignment operator, and then I need to cast this object to a ListView object. Okay. ListView find view by ID r.id.lstview. Okay. So here, as you can see, I am referring to the ID of this LST object. As you can see inside this content underline main.xml, we have this LST object here. Okay. So now let's actually create another Java class in our project. So I just need to click on this file, new, and then click on Java class. And for the name of the class, just type in here customized ListView. Okay. And then click on OK. So here, as you can see, we have this customized ListView in our project. So here we need to extend from the base adapter class. Okay. So in order to create a customized ListView in our application, we need to first of all extend from this base adapter class. So I just need to type in here extends base adapter. Okay. So what is a base adapter? So let's actually go to the web browser. As you can see, this is Android documentation, and in your web browser you can just put in this URL. Okay. And you will be guided to this page here. Okay. Base adapter. So this base adapter actually is a common base class of common implementation for an adapter that can be used in both ListView, okay, by implementing the specialized list adapter interface. Okay,